Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two GPS drones that are perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Let's dive in and see how the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone stack up against each other. When it comes to the camera, the Holy Stone HS720G boasts a 2-axis motorized gimbal and a 4K EIS camera. This combination ensures stunning and vivid footage in a bird's-eye view without missing any details. The Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide G is equipped with powerful brushless motors and a maximum battery life of 26 minutes, allowing for stable flights and ample time to capture the perfect shots. It also offers a maximum remote control distance of 999 meters. For beginners, the Holy Stone HS720G offers multiple user-friendly features such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. These features make it easy for anyone to pilot the drone with confidence. With its powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, the Holy Stone HS720G ensures safer and more reliable flights with extraordinary anti-interference capabilities. You can fly farther and more stable without any disturbance or restrictions on distance. The Holy Stone HS720G comes with additional functions like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, which allow for intelligent flights and hands-free operation. It also features Emergency Stop, Smart Return to Home, GPS module, and one key return to prevent the drone from getting lost. Lastly, the Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide G's foldable design and carrying case make it a great travel companion. With a weight of less than 380 grams, it's as portable as a can of Coke, allowing you to take it anywhere you go. The TENSSENX TSRC Q8 also comes with a 4K Ultra HD camera, ensuring stunning and vivid footage from a bird's-eye view. With super powerful brushless motors and 3 batteries for a total flight time of 90 minutes, the TSRC Q8 provides stability and longer flight sessions. It also offers a maximum remote control distance of 1,000 meters. Similar to the Holy Stone HS720G, the TSRC Q8 offers user-friendly features like automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning to make flying easy, especially for beginners. The TSRC Q8 also features a powerful GPS module and optical flow positioning, ensuring safer and more reliable flights with anti-interference capabilities. It allows you to fly farther and more stable, without any restrictions on distance. Like the Holy Stone HS720G, the TSRC Q8 offers functions like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest for intelligent flights and hands-free operation. It also includes Emergency Stop, Smart Return to Home, GPS module, and one key return to prevent the drone from getting lost. Just like its counterpart, the TSRC Q8 features a foldable design and a carrying case, making it an ideal travel companion. Weighing less than 250 grams, it's lightweight and easy to take with you on your adventures. Based on online reviews, customers have praised both the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone for their impressive features and value for money. However, some reviewers have mentioned specific strengths of each drone. The Holy Stone Hydrogen Sulfide G is highly regarded for its stunning footage and reliable performance, while the TSRC Q8 is praised for its vivid imagery and longer flight time. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Holy Stone 2 Axis Gimbal GPS Drone and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. Both drones offer impressive features, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for the best prices and more information on these products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.